HIC. What was that sound? Pip just bounced off the ground. Hic again. Pip flies. Those hiccups reach the sky. Drink some water, nice and slow. Maybe that will stop the HIC show. Biggest hiccup yet. Pip's not finished bouncing, bet? All done. No hiccups now. Friends can fix it, Lau.
Wow, wow, wow! MicroWorld!